In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder using Google Calendar, whether you're trying to remember to pick up some groceries or just ensuring you don't miss an important meeting. Setting reminders efficiently can truly be a lifesaver. So let's dive into this straightforward process to help you stay on top of your schedule. First, you need to open your Google Calendar. If you're on a desktop, just type calendar.google.com into your web browser and press enter. If you're using a smartphone or a tablet, simply open the Google Calendar app. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by your personal calendar view that shows your schedule for the week, month, or whatever view you prefer. Next, find the date and time you want to create your reminder. Click directly on the calendar at the specific time you want your reminder to alert you. Clicking on the time slot will open a window where we'll begin to add the details of our reminder. Now here's an important step to note. You'll want to select Task from the options in the menu. In Google Calendar, reminders have transitioned to become Google Tasks. This option allows you to create a reminder with added functionality, such as being able to manage tasks and check them off once completed. Selecting Task will ensure that you are not only reminded, but can actively manage your tasks list. With the task option selected, it's time to roll up our sleeves and add some content. Begin by giving your reminder a title. Make it succinct but descriptive enough so you know exactly what it's about at a glance. Below the title, there is a field for a description. This is your chance to include any extra details that might be helpful, like a list of items to bring or topics to discuss. After setting up the title and description, you have the option to adjust the time if necessary. Perhaps your schedule has changed, or you realize the reminder needs to be set earlier or later. Simply click the time field to make any adjustments. Being able to alter the timing ensures the alert is set for when it's most beneficial to you. Finally, after confirming that all the details are correct, click on Save, and there you have it, your reminder is now set. Google Calendar will notify you according to the settings, making sure that you're never caught off guard. This process is a simple yet effective way to ensure you stay organized and on top of your daily responsibilities. Thanks to Google Calendar, managing your tasks and reminders can be done with just a few clicks, helping you maintain productivity effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you become more organized.